Okay, so we're going to do a quick video on just the basics of dimensional analysis. Dimensional analysis is a really useful tool when it comes to unit conversion. We use it a lot in chemistry and other kind of STEM fields. You pretty much use it in any STEM field where you need to do unit conversion. That's a great way to do it by hand. So we'll just jump right into it. Uh, we'll go kilometers an hour to meters a second. Very simple conversion. The key factor in dimensional analysis is we want to treat each unit like it's its own variable. And what do I mean by that? I mean, let's say you have kilometers and we want to convert that to meters. So we'll say for every 1 kilometer there are 1,000 meters. And then we can cancel out these kilometers, and then we can see that, well, in 1 kilometer there are 1,000 meters. Very simple stuff. But dimensional analysis is a pretty easy way of doing multiple of these units at one time. So like I said, we'll start with kilometers an hour. And we'll start with the top portion. So we'll say that there are 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. Then we'll go down to the bottom portion. So we'll say for every hour, there are 60 minutes. And for every minute, there are 60 seconds. Pretty simple stuff. We're basically all the way there, and we're just going to go ahead and say this 1 kilometer per hour. So then our next part of this is pretty much just canceling out what we can. So we're just going to cancel out the units themselves. We're not going to actually cancel out the numbers attached to them. So like, for example here, we'll cancel out kilometers. We'll cancel out hours. We'll also cancel out minutes because we see we have minutes on the top and the bottom as well from our conversion. And then we wouldn't get rid of this 60 here. We keep the 60, we just get rid of the minutes. So then this can be simplified down to 1,000 meters over 60 times 60 seconds, or 1,000 over 3,600 meters per second, which, plugging that into a calculator for completion, I suppose that's roughly 2 or 0.28 meters a second. So yeah, that's the basics of dimensional analysis, and hope you learned something.